Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy, best ever Basque burnt cheesecake. It makes a lovely light dessert, and as always I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and the easy step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So let me show you everything you need to do to make this lovely easy dessert. So these are the ingredients you need, but there will be the blog post down below which you can click through for the full recipe. We've got cream cheese. Just take out the fridge to soften a little bit before, so I'm using 3 packages of cream cheese. We've got 4 eggs to just help give it some light airiness. I've got cream to give it some creaminess. For flavor I'm going for vanilla and salt, which kind of balances the sweetness and just the lovely cheesecakiness. You could also add in lemon if you want it to be a lemon cheesecake. You can use stevia, sugar, your sweetness of choice, anything you like to make this cheesecake as sweet as you like it. And I've made this to be gluten-free, so I'm using coconut flour instead of flour. So let me show you how to put it all together now. So just before we actually get baking, let me just talk you through lining the baking tin. I've got a round springform tin which I've lined with overlapping greaseproof paper. It just keeps everything nice and secure in there, and I've also like to pop it onto a baking tray just in case anything goes over the edge. It just makes cleaning a little bit easier. So yeah, just make sure that it's overlapping on the edges, because it is also quite a high cake and it just needs kind of the space. And we're going to grease the tin, grease the baking paper really well so it doesn't stick. And I've also got the oven preheating to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit. So let's get cooking. So now into a bowl we're going to pop all of our softened cream cheese. So all 600 grams of cream cheese is in there. Add in half a cup of stevia, sugar, or your sweetener of choice, and we're going to whisk that until it's smooth. There we go, that's beautiful and smooth, cheesecakey. And now we're going to add in the eggs one at a time and just whisk it in. And the next one, and just whisk in all 4 until they're all nice and smooth. There you go, that is perfect. Next we add in a good generous pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a whole cup of cream. This is going to be super rich and creamy, and we'll whisk that in. So next we're going to just fold through a bit of coconut flour just to help bind it all together. Going to add in only just a big heaped tablespoon of coconut flour and just mix it through, make sure that it's nice and mixed in there. And then we're going to pour it into our prepared springform tin. Okay, I've got my springform tin out, and we'll just gently pour the cheesecake mixture in. There we go, and we'll pop it into the preheated oven, which as I said is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, for 50 minutes to an hour. I'm going to check it from 50 minutes. It might need to be a bit longer than an hour. We want a nice burnt crisp crust on top, and it'll be nice and jiggly underneath. So I will show you once it's done. So the cheesecake is out of the oven. It's nice and burnt looking on top, but still kind of jiggly beneath. So now I'm just going to allow it to cool, and once it's cool enough we'll just unmold it, pop it on a plate. You can enjoy it warm, but I like to pop it in the fridge and enjoy it from the fridge. So next I will show you cutting into this lovely cheesecake. And there you go, it's been chilling in the fridge for a few hours. You can see it's light inside and it's got that lovely burnt top, so let's cut into it. And there you go, you can see the cake is lovely, light, moist, silky and smooth inside, and it's just a lovely, delightful cheesecake that you saw was really easy to make. There's only 7 ingredients in this burnt Basque cheesecake and it just comes out beautiful. It's light, subtle in the flavor, but so rich. You've just absolutely got to try it. But that is the video for today for how to make this really easy, best ever burnt Basque cheesecake. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this cheesecake a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.